So here's how you can make a loop video on a Snapchat using your Android. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, essentially you have like two options when you open up like Snapchat on your device. You can go to the lenses mode, and there is actually a lens which is called a loop, right? So essentially you can tap the search icon right there as you are on your main page, and you can look up the loop as I said, and these are going to be like lenses which you can actually like use for your camera. So it depends on which one you specifically go with. There are more of them which are called a loop and do different things, so it depends if it it depends on what exactly you mean by that. However, if you just have a regular video which you want to like loop, making sure that it doesn't end but it just keeps on repeating over and over again, what you can do is to obviously record something through the camera lens like that, and then from the options which show up on the left panel, actually on the right, you can scroll through them, and at the bottom I can see the loop icon, so I can tap on it like this and it's going to either show me play once or infinitely, right? So you can see that we have the ability to do that. So essentially that is how you can loop a video on Android using the Snapchat. I really hope that I was able to show you how it works. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more Foxtecc tutorials and explanations like this, and I'm gonna catch you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.